Hey guys, it's Brandon. I'm back with another tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I just want to explain about my previous two videos. The one video is HD and one is not. The one that is HD, it has like a play section at the very bottom. Reason being is because I recorded that in a different program than what I should have been, and I didn't feel like redoing the whole video. So basically I recorded with a different program, recorded another recording. It's very complicated, but yeah, so that's why that is there. I had another one just like that, but I'm not going to upload that. I'm going to redo it, and that's what I'm doing in this video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do a wind blast effect. And this is what it will look like when we're done. So to do this, you're just going to create a new image. And once you got your new image, you're just going to paint the background black using your fill tool. Your foreground color will be black, and then just paint that black. Then you're gonna switch your foreground color to white, so make sure your foreground color is white, and then you're gonna use your text tool, and you're gonna type in whatever you want. The font I'll be using is just going to be called Sans Bold, and my size is going to be 40-ish. I'm just going to type that in, like that, and then you're just going to center that in the middle of your image, right about there. Once you've done that, you're going to go to your layers panel, and then just click layer to image size. Once you've done that, you're going to duplicate this layer 4 times, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go to your first duplicated layer, so not your original, but your first duplicated layer, and go filters, distorts, wind, wherever that is, the wind at the very bottom. And for your settings in your winds dialog, you're going to have your style as wind, your direction as right, your edge effect as leading, and your threshold will be 5, and your strength will be 10. Sorry, your strength will be 20, actually. And then you're going to click OK. Once you've done that, you're going to go to your second duplicated layer, go to Filters, Distorts, Wind, and then you're going to have all the same settings except for your direction. You're going to have it left, and click OK. Then you're going to move on to your third duplicated layer, and you're gonna go to Layer, Transform, Rotate 90 degrees clockwise, and you're gonna go to Filters, Wind, or Filters, Distorts, Wind, and have the same settings, and have your direction on left, and then click OK. Then you're gonna rotate it back, and click Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Once you've done that, you're going to go to your last duplicated layer, your fourth one. You're going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise again. Go Filters, Blur, Filters, Distorts, Wind. Keep the same settings except for your direction. You're going to move it to right. Click OK. Then you're going to Layers, Transform, Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now that you got your basic wind effect, you're going to want to, like, you can't really read it right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the original text layer above all the other layers, and we're going to right click it, click on alpha to selection, and we're going to go to select, grow. We're going to grow this image by 2 pixels, and then click OK. Now we're going to make a new layer, and we can just call it outline. And from here we're going to put that outline layer underneath your original text layer, and then we're going to use our fill tool. Make sure our foreground color is black, and we're just going to fill in that outline. Then we're going to go to select and none. Once you've done this, we're going to give it a little bit of a blur effect by going filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Now in your Gaussian's blur dialog, you're going to keep your horizontal and vertical blur radius at 5, and then click OK. And then once you've done that, you're just going to click on Control and then hit M. And that is just to merge all of your layers so it's one layer. And if you want to add some color, all you're going to do is click Colors, Colorize, or Color Balance. I'm going to click on Color Balance and just give it a bit of an orangey color. Just like that, and then I'm going to click OK. And that is your basic blur effect, your blur wind effect. And yeah, so for now on, my videos will be uploaded in HD. So that's it for today's tutorial. I will upload more in a couple days or so, probably tomorrow. So yeah, thanks guys, and see you later.